everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I love salmon, I love it seared, I love it grilled. Today I'm going to show you how to make some salmon bites. If you want to see what I mean, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you guys, I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And if you can go over and subscribe and support it, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to start off by making a delicious sauce that I'm going to drizzle over my salmon bowl at the very end. And as you can see, I'm going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise into a medium-sized bowl. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of sriracha. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of honey. And now I'm going to squeeze the juice of half a lime. And I'm just going to take a whisk and mix everything together, and then I'm just going to set it to the side. Salmon is one of my favorite fishes to eat, and it's really good for you. So as you can see, I'm just going to grab a paper towel and just pat it dry, just removing some of the moisture. So this piece of salmon actually has the skin at the bottom, so before I remove it, I'm just going to slice it down the middle, and I'm just going to take my knife and slowly run it, separating the skin from the meat. And there you have it. I really tried to run the knife as close as I can, and I think I did a pretty good job. So now I'm going to take each half of the salmon and then cut that in half, and then just cut some cubes. So I'm done cutting up my salmon into bite-sized cubes, so let's give it a quick season. I'm going to start off with some sea salt and some black pepper. I'm going to add some garlic powder and some onion powder. One more thing before I cook my salmon, I'm going to coat it in some cornstarch. But if you have flour, you can also use that as well. I don't know, just the cornstarch gives the outside just a little bit of a crunch. All of my salmon bites are nicely coated with the cornstarch, so let's head on over to the stove, because right now I'm going to heat up a pan with some grapeseed oil. I love cooking with this oil. And then you want to add the salmon bites to the hot pan, and then you just want to remember to rotate each bite every 3 minutes on all sides. And you can see this batch is all done. The crust is golden brown and it looks so good. So you just want to continue to cook your bites until they're all done. So my salmon bites are done, and I'm going to put together my salmon bowl, and this is completely optional. You can put whatever you want, but I'm going to start off with some edamame, and I chopped some cucumber. I'm obsessed with cherry tomatoes, so of course I got to put those in. Sliced avocado, shredded carrots, and of course I'm going to pile as many salmon bites on top as I can. And of course at the very end, I'm going to top it off with the sauce that I made earlier, but that's completely optional, you guys. You can use soy sauce or you can use some sesame seed oil, whatever you want. But look how beautiful that looks. Look at all the colors and look how super healthy this is. Probably the best bowl you're going to make this year. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. I have a new channel here on YouTube, you guys. It's called April Time, so if you can go and support that, I will love it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.